Moichumurigire bono na gukwani ndonsi asobere tuno kugena kwa nebuna no gendete gotengera Ndizi TV nemeroberi yonse litukari gari ya Ramisi stariki 25 na ibiro mutinyo 10 mwaka w'ikiri bubere na 22 na mangabere ka okolekana kurose mambia yarenge ntambe ayungo cyo kumanya senchera yo bwenge Chinsa Ikomi bono chia bono margoba nyirabono litukuri na lebono abawaziri bachoro no murai wense William Samoei Ruto batiani wasenyomba yo bare state house miyomucho Nairobi yomo na mange na kwarigana tumanya senchera yobo ikirano litokubwatirana gotira sumuno bwimanyiriyo igakro kwa Joshua Auta iritirane nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Igoto kuyigora gocha kraso gotani wa kwa waziri bachorwa n'umurai wense William Samoei Ruto aho barenga abawaziri 24 maiga yamalieta bokobwato gocha sebunge nige bunge ya etiamalieta yonsi nani gobatiani wale tukoria lero ase nyumba yobora imeyo mucho Nairobi umuyegabo igo ikirani wa n'umurai wense otiani wachinga kiecheni gobate abunamberu etekigima gochi kurwa bokorri bwabo gochi asaba Kenya wanchiriya konde wensi gotayo.
I, Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, having been appointed Prime Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do solemnly affirm that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya and that I will obey, respect and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic.
I, Aden Baredwale, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, and that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Cabinet Secretary.
Na chinga kichbono yo kabere omubungo nyaribari masaba Ezekiel Mbakima chogo nere na bakago tiano kubona abawaziri bande 24 ase nyumba yobora imeyo mucho Nairobi machogo bono ni gago chikwera liba gali yo kabere omwaziri wechesemi Professor George Magoa erengati ya bali bagochokora imirimo yabo anene asokonyara gokinya mangana rengete chisemi.
I Ezekiel Mbaki, being appointed the Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and a faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not divert directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, and committed to my secrecy except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary, and that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Nago tigera boigo asamangana ngetogo teni kwa waziri au wachoro n'umurai wense William Samoei Ruto libagaria ye Fred Matiang'i bono ligo jikoirwa no mwaziri nigo bona abakago tiani wanere kithire kindiki oyo bona bakago tiani wanere litukoria lero ase nyumba yobora state house miyomucho Nairobi asogo tiani okuboigo nere nigabe kese ibuna waziri bande na gotiabona nacho kolemere moya ye kolengana neli chiko maiga yokobe kese na kowa omwaziri ogochigotende nsemo y'oburindi bw'ime.
I, Kithure Kindiki, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of Kenya, that I will not diverge directly or indirectly such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties, and committed to my secrecy except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Cabinet Secretary, that I will perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Na boigo chinga kichumure wense William Samuel Ruto goikirana somo yogo yobaka okolekana se nyomba yobora sogoteni kwa waziri bonsi abakago chora Ruto nigate abunere nigerwete kiande gikomi bune serikali yanse ya Kenya gojikobwate aba waziri bonsi anasemere meli babere bago choro bwachikoye yakora inse ya serikali yaye Ruto nigate abunatari gochiwanchera nonde Wednesday kirani merobeli yaye bune bwendrete na chira gochia saba Kenya bonsi Ruto boigo nigate abuna ebunge nechikwereli bagali nena soko nyara kuba muleka sobime aba waziri kolengana nemeremeli bakora boigo Ruto nate abune bunge nechikomeke gitambo kero gyoko barangiria aba waziri aho nakanyara kobeka asobwa gale no bwasyoru nakabere bagokira nemeremo yabo ananase egasiri babatenete buna aba waziri.
Let me take this opportunity on my own behalf, the Deputy President and the government of Kenya, to congratulate all our cabinet secretaries who've been appointed and sworn in this morning, and to assure you that in the discharge of your duties in the various ministries that you will be serving, you will have my wholesome support. You will have my support because you have no option other than to succeed. Failure is not an option, good people. There will be an opportunity for you as members of the executive to interact much more robustly with Parliament so that we can not only have a platform for us to explain our programs and to seek the support of the legislature in our programs, but for the legislature also to oversight what we are doing, because they are doing it on behalf of the people of Kenya who elected them.
Na chinga kichigati amenye kurose kaunti ya Kisii maiga yogoteni wakoba waziri ni gobono baboli ya baga waziri abukone kinango kora balemeremo yabo ana senchire bwende tabo igoni go aboli ya waziri kumurekera mangana lengete uchumi aiga sense ya Kenya gokwana kuruase kaunti ya Kisii gati amenye abo ni goba urumu waziri bwechi semi kone kibuna ngochero kumurekera sobime amangana lengete umurobelio OCBC.
Njendo chako cha barombo ya bwakora du lakini yendo bawo chikorigere limono ebintu buna mafuta esege limachagumbu ya chore du nera kwanda atige siasa nyinge akorera asiri takeire una chore tu njendo jembi ya chore tu akorera asia tokonye ndo tanganya saba waziri wa chore tu kwara adige ndo ko CPC na machagwari ndo tanganya ko CPC asanaro to chikomeka kama ndo wawo kwa waziri wa to chore mbia mono tebara akorera astra ranga kwa kora CPC tuatua restress na kubwana umuntu lweto no mwana secondary dana abadali bono beko mwana secondary kubwa akoro CPC atusumbuire ibintu bingi kosa ko nyomba ne ibintu byo kukumya ano mwana ko sare sare na nale tebe sege na mambi by the way ibintu ne bingi tu akumina ki CPC ne kare galende ntoka tabwebo na ntoka kwa kasi ya boda boda. Rais wetu tunakuomba kwa kupenda kwako, tunakupenda, uturejeshe hizi vitu zirudi chini, uchumi kuje kidogo, at least kila mmoja apate ile bottom up alikuwa anatuambia tuione kama
Na gotigana na mangana rengete abawaziri goika asobo kori na boigo no wekinia kiuchumi ekiombe kimanyekanete buna butoro liru masibio ni gobono litukulia lera bagendera ko basemia abantu kurwa sensemo yaraganga kone kibuna nkwe bwatara ni barase byombe ilikonyara kwagenderia anaso konyara gokinia uchumi bago kwana chinga kibale go chengero bokoli bawe myaka ebere nigo bate abuna mbaganetyo kubwatera ni wakurwa serikali ni byombe bunenjiremo yogo sira bali batali kwenyara n'umujyaga boyigobo kwekeranwa no MC we wodi ya Bugesero Vincent yabuga uyote yaboyigo nabigete 20 go cyase wodi yikone kibuna bali batali kwenyara nkonyara aragokonyeka anene mayiga yogo choro no MC asobo choryobo waita
umwaka we 2019 aligia chagete ekero gya chaka gechagete mukinyu 8 kitariki sana abantu bali 17 na ugabete bakunganamo bagachaka ekyombeke kuikalero yekire injirenga buniri babuna mukiro cha
ekyombeke to make sure kya very stable to make sure ya account ekyombeke ga ni buate kibesa kise ontage temo by example ebyombe binde bichiche bichiro soma kurasibo nago kibunga mwacha kireti project choko sile kapaka maragwani na aligezi kaki station yetu ya Ndizi TV Kenya sana because mwamgalile ekyombe kyeke amanyika
na umugabana we county ya Narok Patrick Orentutu ni gobana rokurogo tindi go chiasa bamenyi be county ya nene abo bisa sensemo yobo cheno ase county ya Narok Orentutu ka ukona kurwa sensemo yunega molekera mangana lenge tobo cheno anana sobo tumekyobe wa mariogo ase chinyagetari nigatebere bunonde bwensura nyale gotumia mariogo yusuko ya bwatoka asenchire ya bubisi ya serikali etamayitonse nsemo yobo cheno etamanyete na achikwemukerege tambo keregeti nigatebere na mariogo nigabere ka hosira nyagetari egenta tebire bona chikoba maiso na kone kionde bwensura nyarega konia amaryoga nyagetari niga guchiko be kubyara kolengana nilichiko.
Nimefanya kazi kama DC kama dio hapa. I planned my people all over. Ukichukua one string ama one antibiotic mimi najua tu na umechukua upate msigani na naandika tu na mimi natuma askari wakushike na wakuweke pingo na wakufunge mguu na wakuleta na Land Rover mpaka pale kwa kotini ukuje ujibu kwa nini unaiba dawa ya watu. Utaona tu very soon I will invite you. This one is stealing from us. Okay? Yes. Very soon nimeshapata a few. Lakini nichukuzwa mlako basi unaona wanasimama hapa na wanasikiza. Wanajua huyu governor leo hataki mchezo. Angalia tu hawa, they are smiling because they know they will not dare to do that. And if they do that, they will see me. Mimi nitakuja hata usiku kuwashika.
Na boigo haba waziri bachorwa n'umugabana we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembea ni gobono baikabosio we bunge likonyara kulingoli kwa gochakera litukulia lero na sobo kodri bwabo obarachi gochaka baisigo itu wane bunge ya county ya Trans Nzoia gati aba MC chinga kichini gobe murunganiri nchiro mugabana we county yo George Natembea abaga gochora ba waziri baya sogote abuna nigo bakolete usiniga bachoreta senchira yuwanchirya egento batebire buna gati yaba waziri mbale bagochia kwamererwa gotai wali bagelia bene asebo igomwe ngati aba MC obatebire buno butuka numbororo asa malieta abaga ko bwato ko buna ba waziri be county ya Trans Nzoia.
Mheshimiwa ndugu yetu Natembea aweze kufanya pia, kwa sababu mimi ambaye nataka kulalamika ya kwamba inisikendu kuna watu wengi ambao wali apply kama CC karibu watu 10 na kitu, lakini funny enough hakuna mtu ambaye alikuwa shortlisted. Tumekuja kwa chief officers. Sasa ukiangalia kwa hiyo list, ukiangalia there is no regional balance. Ukiangalia kwa ward fulani watu wamekuwa shortlisted almost 8 or 10. Lakini second ward hakuna mtu ambaye amekuwa shortlisted. Na kuna watu ambaye ninajua, mmoja ni David Mukopi. Kijana wako na masters in finance management, lakini hata kuwa shortlisted peke yake hakuna. Wamechukua mtu ambaye anaitwa Wachilonga, anatoka even outside of this county. Wamemshortlist na wameandika mbele second. Hata kama ni madharau namna gani. Watu wa board they cannot even see, wanaangalia watu kuna namna gani, wanafeti watu namna gani yaweza kuwa shortlist, lakini wamechukua watu from outside the county wameandika mbele second ward. Ninataka kuambia governor hiyo service board Kama itaendelea kufanya mchezo vile ilikuwa inafanyia hapo nyuma, sisi kama viongozi hatutakubali. Kwa sababu they cannot take somebody from outside na waweze kuandika mbele second ward. Kama wataki watu wangu wasitumie jina second ward. Kwa sababu nimejua kuanzia CEC hakuna mtu kutoka second. Kukuja kwa chief officers hakuna kutoka second. Mimi nataka kuambia governor ni lazima hiyo board iweze kuachibika. Na kama iweze kuachibika, sisi kama viongozi hatutavumilia.
Na boigo gocha ko yakiro musumalia senchira yubwe Chinsa Ikomi chabono margobe merobelio ya morokeri yobole moni go yekiranire anene yobole mini go yekiranira se county ya Mombasa amorokeri ya yobole mini gara chiko chakalito kule Jumatatu ikiego jestali kibere ase county yo ya Mombasa kolenga na bwatani bali bateneta morokeri ya unigo batebere buna umure Wense William Samoei Ruto ngati yabagane barachwikirana asa morokeri ya yulituko ya Jumatatu.
Officers wale wa kuangalia mambo ya wanyama, mambo ya mimea na mambo ya ufugaji wa aina mbalimbali, kuku, nyuki na mambo kama hayo pia vile vile, ili watu wetu wachangamke na tuache kutegemea kaunti za jirani katika lishe yetu. Yaeleweka hii leo sisi bila kuletewa mboga na tomato kutoka kaunti za jirani hatuwezi kuishi hapa Mombasa.
Sisi tuko tayari kama wanakamati wa Mombasa International Show. Upande wetu tumefanya kila kitu, tumetayarisha, tumerekebisha. Tunasema kwamba show iko tarehe 2 hadi tarehe 6 mwezi wa 11. Tunaambia wananchi njooni Mombasa International Show. Mambo safari mwaka huu mambo yamebadilika. Mambo mazuri. Mambo ya kujielimisha upande wa kilimo biashara. Tunawaambia karibuni, tuungane mkono tufanikishe show hii yetu ya Mombasa.
Mochumuligire bono ntarachi ko yakiro musumali gabu na boko ndrago tubwate kweterensemelia mtandao nsemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na beko wanensemelia YouTube mochumuligire na boko tunera buna Ndizi TV News iliyo amo ayanaenda mange onyaloke nyora senchira yo megekuraga enseye moja bono morogoba umirana na Everine Osero asiri bwanya liko kusansa muranira na gukomanya yabaliki baita bagande goto twaliganira kurwa Chinsemo auditore kubwateranira kurosumu no kwimanyiriyo igakuru kwa Joshua Auta na wigobono kurwasa nseme chiwi cha muneliogie igakoro kwa Abi Nyancha manyira wana 11 wana margoba antivirus ne chingero murobrio ogoso asembe otiganya kiro musumali gabu tumira denga kinde litirane nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
TV Ubwansu